Hello, my friends. Did you miss out when we had our fairy tale event? Well, if you missed out, now is your chance to catch up. Today is what we call catch-up day. Ketchup and mustard? No, not that kind of ketchup. That was a bad joke, sorry. It's catch-up day, meaning there are some items that you might have missed out on when they were first released, or maybe I took them on HSN, or I had them on with the other company, but now's our chance for you to get them on the website. Starting with our Castle Fold It die, which is oh so cute. It's a mini slimline, and it coordinates with our, yes, it's finally time for those of you that missed out. This kit sold out. It's sold out completely, boom, gone. So now we are bringing them back one by one, and now's your chance to get them. So here is the fairy tale, it's called Enchanted to stamp. We have our cute little princess, our little prince, a small dragon. Don't forget, we also have a dragon fold it. There's that fun castle, little prince, little princess, fairy tale dreams, you slay me. So adorable. Yes, you know the deal, you guys. Come on. Yes, there's dies that match. Come on. You know that, right? Well, also released during that big event was our hologram paper. Now there are lots of different papers in here, and let me just show you some because they are so dang stunning. And sometimes the camera doesn't even catch how awesome they are. But there's, you get two of each one. Look at that one. Ooh, look at that. I love to move it around so you can really see what it looks like. I love that. Then we have this one. Look at that. Woo, so pretty. Those fun sparkles. Ooh, this one's like wavy. I love that. And then this one's more of a brushed, so it's a little bit more subtle. That's fun. And then there's this fun stripe. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. You're going to have so much fun with that one, right? So that is now on the website. And here's a fun sample of it on one of our stand-up cards, just all put together, just so you can see how adorable they are, because it's just so much fun. And I know a lot of you missed out on this one, and we felt really bad, so we brought them back literally as quickly as we could. And now's your chance to get them. So here they are on the website. Now, but wait, there's more. I'm so glad I finally get to show you this one. Some of you already have this. Remember, today's catch-up day. Some of you already have this, but a lot of you don't. It is my Star Flip It. Star Flip It is now available on our website. So awesome, so fun. Look how cool this is. Whoa! Interactive. You gotta love that, right? Here's another one. Superstar with an extra little hidden panel. Yes, you can do the hidden panel technique on this card base. Isn't that fun? Here's another awesome one. Superstar. Love it. That fun swirl on there. Gorgeous. Or here's another one. Go for it. So you're getting a lot of dies in this set. Look at this, you guys. You're getting the striped star. You're getting this swirl star. You're getting the super. You're getting the you rock. You're getting a whole bunch of stars. Go for it. And a cute little star with squigglies around it. So cool. I love it. Here's another fun one. Love it. Ooh, here's a gorgeous one. Totally different. I love those colors. I knew Yvette did it. And they glue them sometimes for photography. There we go. Okay, open that up. Look how cute that is. I love it. Now, this item came in our card kit. I do not know when. And I wasn't sure it was as awesome as everyone said it was. And I was like, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. And my team kept saying, no, do it. And I'm like, okay, we did it. I am glad to say I was 100% wrong. I was 1,000% wrong. Because first of all, people got this die in their kit. And they said, what is it? And I said, it is a card stand. It die cuts like this. And there's little layering rectangles. I know it's hard to see. There you go. There's little rectangles in there so you can layer it if you want to decorate it. And everyone said, well, what's it supposed to do? And I said, well, die cut it. And they did. And I said, and fold it where the score line is. And they did. And I said, and lay it like this. And they did. And I said, anytime you have a card that does not stand up, you're going to use this. And they said, what? And I said, watch this. So here we have our cute little camper folder, right? Now, absolutely freakishly adorable, right? And we had so many requests for this, but technically she doesn't really stand up by herself, which in real life, my friends, campers do not stand up by themselves because they're always hitched to a truck, right? So technically there's a couple options. You could flatten the tire just a little bit to make it stand up, or card stand. Watch this, you guys. I'm going to put it, let's see, we'll put it up here so you can see. And there's little slots on here. So I'm going to just drop it in there. And now, ta-da! Ta-da! Isn't that awesome? Look at this. I'll turn it around so you can see. There's my little card stand. It's kind of hard to see with my black shirt. There's a little card stand. There it is. There's the back. Now, there are two slots in this. There's the front slots and the back slots. Now, you could also do it like this, where you put the front in the front and the back of the card in the back. That's up to you. I tend to, on the fold-its, or just kind of like lay it open like that so people can still read the inside. You can do it up to you. It's up to you. But look, now it stands. I told you. I know. I was wrong. I was wrong. It is awesome. Now, yeah, we gave you all those extra rectangles. Do you really need it? Some people like to decorate their card stands. That's up to you. But if you did not get this in the card kit way back when, get it now. It's one of those ones where you're going, I don't need that, until you get it. Then you're like, how did I ever live without it, right? Okay, my friends, whoa, lots of stuff on the catch-up day, but you know what? We're trying to get out the catch-up items as quickly as possible. We get so many requests. Remember that one time you took on HSN, blah, 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 blah? I want that on your website. And we can only release a certain amount of things on catch-up day. So the 25th of every month is catch-up day. And it makes me think of hamburgers. I'm telling you, I don't know why. Okay, my friends, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.